When we participate in a service learning project, it can be easy to think of the objectives of the project like a to-do list to complete, crossing off one list item after the next. However, if we only think of the service learning project as something to get done, we miss the opportunity to take advantage of engaging with the community and learning outside the typical classroom setting. That's why it can be helpful to think beyond the grade and adopt a service learning mindset by becoming familiar with cultural humility and asset-based work. We'll begin by asking the question, what is cultural humility? In a multicultural world where power imbalances exist, cultural humility is the process of openness, self-awareness, being egoless, incorporating self-reflection and critique after willingly interacting with diverse individuals. Cultural humility can denote a willingness to accurately assess oneself and one's limitations, the ability to acknowledge gaps in one's knowledge, and an openness to new ideas, contradictory information, and advice. Cultural humility is an active, lifelong practice, not something that reaches an endpoint. How do we practice cultural humility in service learning and beyond? First, examine one's own assumptions, prejudices, and expectations about others. Second, acknowledge gaps in one's own cultural knowledge and understanding. Third, welcome new ideas, contradictory information, and others' advice. And fourth, embrace the complexity of diversity. After discussing cultural humility, we can move on to using an asset-based approach to service learning. This leads us to our second question. What is asset-based work? An asset-based approach to service learning is a way for students and all partners to first look for strengths, resources, and capabilities rather than deficits. Asset-based work is built on 4 foundations. It focuses on community assets and strengths instead of problems and needs. It identifies and mobilizes individual and community assets, skills, and passions. It is community-driven, and it is relationship-driven. By understanding that all communities have strengths, asset-based work recognizes that everyone has skills, interests, and experiences that can help strengthen their community. So how do we practice using an asset-based lens in our service learning project and beyond? First, recognize diversity in thought, culture, and traits as positive assets. Second, utilize and acknowledge each individual's capabilities and interests. Third, value what each person brings to the service learning project. Regardless of if you're in the role of a student, teacher, or community partner, each person brings their own expertise and insightful experiences to the service learning project. Overall, by familiarizing ourselves with cultural humility and asset-based community engagement, we can go beyond the to-do list and actively engage in a service learning mindset.